Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Rear Pilot Assy for Southbend part number 1177448. The Rear Pilot Assy for Southbend part number 1177448 is a replacement part for Southbend ovens. It is a metal assembly that includes the pilot, pilot bracket, and pilot tube. The pilot is used to ignite the oven's gas burner. The bracket holds the pilot in place, and the tube connects the pilot to the gas valve. This part is essential for proper operation of your oven and should be replaced if it becomes damaged or worn out. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a worn or damaged rear pilot assembly on Southbend ovens. It can help to fix symptoms such as uneven baking, poor heat distribution, and uneven browning. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by removing the existing rear pilot assembly from the Southbend range. This can be done by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 2. Once the old assembly is removed, take the new rear pilot assembly and align it with the holes in the range. 3. Secure the new assembly in place with screws, making sure to tighten them securely. 4. Connect the gas line to the new assembly and ensure that it is properly sealed and secured. 5. Turn on the gas supply and test for any leaks or other issues before using your range again. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.pa or FPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.